In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Grok 3 for free in 2025. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can navigate the process with ease. If you're new to Grok 3 or simply looking for ways to access it without any cost, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Google's search engine is a reliable starting point for finding just about anything online, and today, it's going to help us locate the site needed to access Grok 3. Once the Google homepage loads, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the center. In this search bar, type in the relevant website address or keywords related to Grok 3 access and hit enter. As the search results populate, scan through them to find the official website that hosts Grok. It should be among the top results if you're using specific enough keywords. Click on the link heading straight to the correct website. This is crucial for ensuring you're on the right path without detours. Upon landing on the home page of the website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Look for the Grok icon on the page. This is typically located below the Messages section, so scroll gently through the page until you find it. The Grok icon is your gateway to accessing the tool for free, so make sure to keep an eye out for it. With the icon located, it's time to put Grok 3 to the test. Think of a prompt or a question you'd like to explore using Grok. For instance, you might want to check out the latest trend in crypto. Just a suggestion. Once you've decided on the prompt, enter it into the designated input area. This is often located alongside or just beneath the Grok icon itself. Now that your prompt is ready, proceed by hitting the Submit button. It's usually nearby, positioned to encourage easy access to the Grok tool's capabilities. By clicking Submit, you're initiating your request, which the Grok system will process to generate insightful information based on the prompt you provided. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully accessed Grok 3 for free in just a few minutes. Remember this method anytime you need to use Grok without incurring costs. It's a practical way to leverage up-to-date information and trends using the power of Grok 3. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, happy learning and exploring.